everyone, my name is Lawrence Bermeo and I will be your news reporter for this day. Recent events in the Middle East and the West Philippine Sea show that some powerful countries are not following international law, leaving smaller nations like the Philippines to deal with the consequences. In the Middle East, the United States and Israel launched strike on Iran. The United Nations Secretary General Guterres warned that these actions are a direct threat to international peace and security. He called for all countries to stop using violence and instead work through diplomacy. According to the UN Charter, countries are not allowed to use force against others unless they are defending themselves from an attack. But the recent strikes were not clearly based on self-defense and did not follow proper international procedures. Meanwhile, in the West Philippine Sea, China continued to harass Filipino fishing boats and block resupply missions. Chinese Coast Guard ships have used water cannons and aggressive tactics near Panatag Shoal, Scarborough Shoal, pushing Filipino fishermen away from their own waters. China also refuses to follow the 2016 ruling by an international tribunal that favored the Philippines. Ironically, while China tells other countries to respect international law, it does not always follow these laws itself. This raises questions about fairness and double standard. The many ordinary people, from giving families in the Middle East to Filipino fishermen in Palawan and Zambales, these conflicts are just political, they affect their daily lives and safety. As one Filipino observer put it, the strong do what they can, and the weak suffer what they must. The Philippines is caught in the middle of powerful countries who say they support peace and law, but often act in their own interests. And that's it. Once again, this is Lawrence Bermeo reporting. Goodbye.